Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy one page from another page in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that copy one page from to another page in Microsoft Word. Now select from the all text. Now for Control A. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for copy. Now going to the file menu option, then click for the new option. Now click for blank document option, then copy another page. Now click for the paste option. That is, then I show copy one page from another page in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.